Okay, I'm going to show you how to make some graphs. So for this one, what we want to do is we want to, this is bad, right? Because we got 2 million here and 289,000 here. 900,000 is way bigger than 300,000, so that's a problem. So what we need to do is we need to get this data into the next screen, and you guys are going to actually input this data somewhere. So nicest way to do this is probably to add a table. In this case, when you have x and y, so let's say I just made this 2 and 4, notice that point right there, which is 2, 4, has shown up. Now, what we have to do from here is we have data from 2006 and data from 2013. So I'm actually going to make my x-axis 2006 and 2013, and then I'm going to just input that data from before. So I've got the first bit of data there, and then if you guys want to add another column over here, what you're going to need to do is first you got to give it a title, so type up here and write like y2 or y3, and then you can add this data. Okay, so now I have all of my data in here, and the next thing is like, well, why can't I see it? Now, if you start like zooming out, this is going to be super annoying, but it'll work. Okay, there's all my data, but this is a pretty terrible graph. What you really want to do is you want to adjust the window so the x and the y-axis show you what you want. So for the x-axis, I need to go between 2006 and 2013. So over here on this wrench, I'm going to have the x-axis go from, and let's go from 2000 to 2020, just because that will actually show me those things. And I could zoom in a little bit more, and notice as soon as I started zooming, these numbers started changing, but you want to eventually end with a window that seems pretty reasonable. I don't need to see all of this negative space down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the bottom. So it's maybe negative 10,000. And up here, we're going to make that just go up to 21,100,000. Okay. Cool. So now I can see my data. If I want to see a line, I could hold down on this and click on that line. So hold down on that purple dot, click on this line, and then this is actually showing me more of what's actually there. To add labels, what you're going to do is you're going to add labels here. So the bottom, what we have is years, and here we have number of procedures. And then this is going to be a much better graph of what we actually wanted. So instead of the numbers crossing like they're supposed to, or like they are here, this is actually showing us more clearly what's there. If you'd like to actually label these, I'll show you a little trick. What we can do is I'm going to get, so 2008, and that's going to be like what? Sorry, I accidentally clicked and zoomed, like 170,000. So I'm going to go 2008 and 170 million. Okay, cool. I can label this dot, and right now it's just showing me where that is, but I could actually label this, what's our title over here? Cancer Screening and Prevention Services. So I'm going to label this Cancer Screening and Prevention Services. And let's make that green so it actually matches here. And then if you unclick this, it's just going to kind of hover right around there. And then we could do the same thing for the other one where we go, let's say 2008, and that's only going to be like 300,000. Cool. We'll make this purple, and we'll label it, and this is going to be abortion procedures. And then if I unclick it, then it'll go there. So now this is actually giving me some of these, and if I wanted to add a title, I could do the same trick just so I have something up here. So let's say we said 2008, and let's make it all the way up to 2 million. I'm going to make this black, and this will just be services provided by Planned Parenthood. And if I want it to be a little bit bigger, here, this is the size. So if I make this like a 5, notice it becomes really, really big. Well, let's just go with a 2. And then if I unclick it, it will actually move there. If you'd like to move it around, what you can do is make this draggable. And then I kind of move around what it is that I want, unclick, and then maybe if I just zoom out just a tiny little bit, there. Now I have a pretty nice graph that's got a title, it's got labeling, it's got all of the things that I would like for it. This is basically what you're going to end up doing in your summit